Lockdown in Maharashtra has been extended till the 31st of July. In all of this, there has been confusion after the Mumbai police created confusion by having a 2-kilometer rule, and this resulted in confusion today and a lot of traffic jams as well.
Bumper-to-bumper traffic in Mumbai on the arterial Western Express highway. The jams are because of the police enforcing a new controversial rule that one cannot travel more than 2 kilometers from their homes. The police say today they would have fined more vehicles than yesterday, which was close to 7,000.
जो लोग अपना डिस्टेंस जो है वो जब पूछते हैं उसको कहाँ से आ रहे हैं तो पता चलता है। अगर कोई हॉस्पिटल में जा रहा है ऐसा बोला तो यकीन कर लेना चाहिए, क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल इमरजेंसी है। अगर कोई बोलता है हम पब्लिक जो भी बोलती है उसके ऊपर यकीन करेंगे, बट यकीन करते समय हम ये भी करेंगे कि वो सच बोल रहा है कि झूठ बोल रहा है, उसको हम तय करेंगे।
While office goers and those with medical emergencies were exempted, the surprise crackdown left many in the lurch. The police say this is the only way to keep people from travelling unnecessarily. As the lockdown was extended in Maharashtra, here's what's allowed. Jogging and running before 7 p.m, salons with conditions. E-commerce activities and newspapers are also now allowed. Government offices will function with 15% staff and private offices with 10% staff. But here's what's not allowed. Shopping malls and cinema halls. Inter-district travel is still banned and no local trains are available for the public. Also, what's not allowed is religious and political gatherings.
बोरीवली का ट्रेन का टिकट था, तो उनको छोड़ने के लिए जा रहे थे, तो उन्होंने रुका दिया, बोला कि आप नहीं जा सकते, आप उनको ऑटो से भेज सकते हैं, आप नहीं जा सकते।
और आपके पास कंफर्म ट्रेन टिकट था?
ट्रेन का टिकट भी है और उन्होंने फिर भी अलाउ नहीं किया, ट्रेन का टिकट भी नहीं देखा और बोला गाड़ी साइड में रखो, चाबी दो और निकलो।
रोज जा रहे थे, आ रहे थे, आज सडनली बोल रहे हैं ये लोग हमको ट्रैवलिंग का ई पास चाहिए। इसमें ट्रैवलिंग का नहीं दिया हुआ है। हरासमेंट हो रहा है, जबकि अभी साइट खोल रहे हैं, उसमें कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है कि हम ई पास कैसे ऑब्टेन हो। पुलिस वाली बोल रही है कि ई मिलेगा, अब साइट पे जाओ।
5-kilometer long jams this morning as people were getting into work. Police setting up checkpoints here at the Dahisar Toll Naka, the entry point for Mumbai on the arterial Western Express highway. While many amongst the public said this was harassment as there was no information about the specifics of this rule, the police say this is the only way to keep people who are travelling unnecessarily off the roads. In Mumbai with camera person Sanjay Mandal, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.
Well, let's just get a couple of reactions on what has taken place in Mumbai today. A great deal of confusion. Niranjan Shetty, spokesperson of the BJP, with us now, and Priyanka Chaturvedi, Rajya Sabha MP of the Shiv Sena, with us as well. Mr. Shetty, do you broadly endorse what has taken place, an extension of the lockdown, even if it has come with all sorts of confusion on day one?
Yeah, I fail to understand basically when the whole of the country has gone on the mission, beginning of mission. I fail to understand why the Maharashtra government is, unable to cope with this lockdown, and this except proves basically they have failed at various levels. So basically, the opposition leader, when he accused that the government is not being run by the political governance, but it is run by the bureaucrats. And this is the main basically
Mr. Shetty, just I'll ask you that question once again because your audio is a bit unclear. What is the point you are trying to make? Are you saying that it's a bad move to extend the lockdown? Is that what you're saying?
I'm not saying, see, any move in the interest of the citizen is welcome. But at present, basically, what I'm trying to say, it is not the government is not run by the politicians, but by the bureaucrats. That's what I wanted to say. Basically, you need to understand what happens when you see, even during phase one of the unlocking period began, it was all type of bureaucrats. Either it is the policemen or the PMC coming into, to the shops and telling various kinds of reasons. So just now also those people who are supposed to take the law and order into concern, they are now trying to man all this kind of, stopping all the people. Now it is very much practical.
Okay, let me quickly, as we try and fix your sound, let me try and go to Priyanka on this. Priyanka, how do you react to this? That I think the point being made is that the implementation is not good. even if they don't necessarily have a problem with the overall idea of an extension?
So firstly, everything that comes from the Bharatiya Janata Party have been more of attacks and politically motivated attacks than any kind of, I would say, support structure from an opposition party, which is seeing that not just Maharashtra, but the entire nation is battling a crisis. Now, as far as Maharashtra is concerned, we had when we started the lockdown, we had started it in a phase-wise manner. And the CM has been speaking to the people of the state, saying that even the lockdown that will be lifted would be done in a phase-wise manner under the entire mission of beginning again. We have opened up a lot of areas, lots of sectors, lots of offices, private offices, government offices. Unfortunately, we have also observed that there's a lot of travel that happens, which is unnecessary, not needed, and people flouting norms. People have this is going to be something where the government as well as the citizens need to cooperate. Unfortunately, we were seeing a lot of crowding happening, and that is why the 2-kilometer radius, and let me tell you the 2-kilometer radius system. It does not apply to people who are going to offices. It does not apply to people who are reporting to work. Essential services, it does not apply to. It only applies to ensure that your shopping necessity does not need to go beyond 2 kilometers. And whether it is your, exercise, walks, etc., there are parks open all over the city. So unnecessary crowding when we are already tackling the COVID challenge is something that we have been speaking about. And the CM has been very categorical. The minute we see those norms being flouted, we will have to ensure that they are adhered to.
Okay.
So if there are any streamlining issues, we will listen to that and we will ensure that no Mumbaikar is troubled. But we also need to understand, as Mumbaikars, it becomes a responsibility to ensure that a city which is, bursting at its seams also manages to follow the protocol of the lockdown.
Okay. Mr. Shetty, would you like to respond to that? There is a certain protocol in place. Yes, there may have been traffic jams on this day, but this is being done in the broader interests of millions of people in the city. And that I think the point is that the opposition should support the government in this to avoid confusion.
See, basically, Vishnu, the present situation on the ground is totally different. What Priyanka Chaturvedi is trying to present before you is a rosy picture. But given the situation on the ground was totally different. Right from morning, I almost received more than 10 calls. Basically, all those people, those who are involved in the essential part, those who have been allowed. But the police are asking for the e-passes. Now, I am a Mumbaikar, I know, and I know Priyanka Chaturvedi is also Mumbaikar, but the number of people, the cars are being impounded, and I fail to understand the purpose of, the reason of impounding. And I am asking Priyanka Chaturvedi, when the car is impounded, what is the alternative arrangement made for those people whose car has been impounded by the state government? They are asking them to get down, car been impounded, and they've been left at lurch. To go walk.
Okay, so let's put that question to Priyanka. Go ahead, Priyanka. Quick answer. I need to wrap this up. Yes.
So, considering Mr. Shetty is also from Mumbai, he would have also seen scenes at the Juhu beach, etc., where there was immense crowding. Like I said, if there is any streamlining that needs to be done, we would be happy to do it. We'd be open to constructive suggestions, but this kind of politically motivated attacks coming from the Bharatiya Janata Party, absolutely uncalled for. So like I said, there are some rules and regulations in place, and it has to be a coexistence of both. And so that we can open up the city further, we would need cooperation from the citizens of the city, and we are hoping that they would cooperate. And whatever that the government needs to do in terms of intervention and streamlining, we'll ensure it is done.
All right. Well, I'd like to thank both of you very much for joining us. There have been all sorts of other complaints as well, crazy electricity bills among them. But perhaps we'll leave that for a discussion on another day. But there has been an element of confusion. But yes, there has been a significant amount of opening up as well. Let's hope that that opening up doesn't translate into a higher caseload in Mumbai. That's the last thing we need in this country. It's time now for this short break.